Glow is giving 100 GB data right now. Yes, you heard me right. 100 gigabyte of data free. I will show you how to claim yours in under 2 minutes. Yes, no hidden charges, no VPN. All you need to do is just to be a Glow prepaid customer and you are qualified to get this 100 gigabyte of data. Now, before we proceed, here is a proof that I got my own data from Glow. I just got this information and I thought to share it with my amazing subscribers. So stick around. Let me show you how to claim yours before the offer expires. If you are a Glow customer and you've gotten this 300 gigabyte of data, let me know in the comment section. And if you are a Glow customer and you haven't gotten your own 100 gigabyte of data, or you're hearing this for the first time, also let me know in the comment section. If you need help with anything or you find it difficult to claim your own 100 gigabyte of data from Glow, also let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment, like it, and also share so other Glow customers can also claim this free 100 gigabyte of data from Glow.
To complete this exercise, all you need to do is head to your Play Store, your App Store, and then you search for Glow Cafe. That's the app we're searching for, Glow Cafe. So that's it right there. Then you click on it to install it. I already have it, which is why it's showing open. So I'm going to open it right now so that you will see how the app looks like. So this is the app right here. You can see I already have data inside, which is why I did not delete it to start doing all this setup. But the setup is very explanatory. It's not difficult at all. So once it opens like this, you put in your details, the phone number you want to use that is not already registered to Glow Cafe. Okay, that is when you'll be eligible to get the 100 gigabyte of data. So for people registering for the first time, you're going to get 75 gigabytes of data, and then that 75 gigabyte of data has a limited time frame. Yes, so this is what is in there. With 500 naira you can get 2.5 gigabyte of data. So data is cheaper on this app. So if you buy with code, it's more expensive. This is a nice plan. So data on this app is cheaper compared to when you're buying with code. Okay, so this new cafe special data bonus, that's where you can get the offer for, like, if you download the app, you can buy data from that particular place and then it will be cheaper for you. So this is what the app looks like. There are other things you can do on this app. Okay, the app has other function aside from buying data. You can play music from this app. Glow TV is there on the app. You can watch videos. You can calculate your data, watch news. You can get entertained on this Glow app. Okay, you can also borrow data from this app. So the app is packed. Like, there are other things you can do on the app. This is how it looks like. So
after downloading and setting up your Glow Cafe app, you're going to get 75 gigabyte of data. After 24 hours, that 75 gig will expire. So you can use it to download videos, you can use it to stream your playlist on YouTube, you can use it to do anything at all. It's not limited to anything. You can use it to browse the internet. Whatever you want to do with it, you can do with it. You can even share hotspots with that particular data and it will last for 24 hours. Yes, so after that 75 gig expires, you have to buy data from the app. Like, even if it's 100 naira data, 200 naira data, you have to buy from the app. Like, why won't you buy from the app? Data is very cheap on the app. Like, data you will get 1,500 buying with code. You're going to get it like 500 naira on the app. So buy from the app, and then after 1 month you're going to get 5 gigabyte of data. You're going to be getting it like that for 5 months until that 25 gigabytes that is remaining will complete. And then if you decide to delete the app, reinstall it, you're not going to get another 100 gigabyte of data. You can only get 100 gigabyte of data with a new line. This means if you have another Glow line that you have not registered on Glow Cafe, you can also claim 100 gigabytes. All you need to do is uninstall the app, reinstall it back, and then enter that particular number that you've not claimed this particular 100 gigabyte of data from. This is 75 gigabyte of data, right? And another 75 and another 25 gigabyte of data from now to the next 5 months. Okay, so if you put everything together, it is 100 gigabyte of data free of charge from Glow. All you need to do is to be a Glow subscriber and then download the Glow Cafe app. I've already showed you how to download it. Now, the challenge I had using this particular Glow line is the speed of their network, but I didn't know that Glow has improved this much, because when I got my iPhone, I was scared of buying Glow because of the experience I had. It's been long I used Glow. I didn't know that a lot of things has improved. So I'm using this Glow line on my iPhone and the speed is very fast. I use it on my laptop. I use it on my Android phone. I use it on my husband's phone. The speed is very fast. So if you're out there and you want to save some money, some data money, I would advise you to go and buy this Glow line. Okay, it is very, very fast and good, and it will help you save. Just imagine buying 2.5 gigabyte of data for 500 naira, and then if you're a night browser, you can buy 75 gigabyte of data for just 120 naira. It is very, very good for us that are streaming playlists. Like us that are streaming playlists, it is very, very good. So let me know in the comment section if you've gotten yours, or if you didn't get yours. If you need help with anything, let me know in the comment section. If you got value from this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, share it so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.